I'm Ripper the Clown, and these are my Ripettes, and we're going to sing for you the 12 Days of Facebook. On the first day of Christmas, Facebook...
Oh, shit.
I'm Ripper the Clown, and these are my Ripettes, and we're going to sing for you the 12 Days of Facebook.
Crap. Let's just sing it.
Okay. One. Go ahead and stop.
On the 11th day of Christmas, Facebook gave to me 11 cleavage and muscle photos, 10 those posters will change my opinion, 9 online stalkers, 8 uplifting posters inspire me, 7 threatening emails, 6 friends who are single again, 5 orders for the room from zombie novels, sorry, I was on Amazon, 4 rooms from policy changes, 3 blog texts, 2 profane polling status updates, and a friend request from someone that I hate. On the 12th day of Christmas, Facebook gave to me 12 advice for games that I want to play, 11 cleavage and muscle photos, 10 political buzzers which change my opinion, 9 online stalkers, 8 afflicted posts to inspire me, 7 threatening emails, 6 friends who are single again, 5 orders for the new Ripper the Clown zombie novel, sorry, that's on Amazon, 4 rumors about policy changes, 3 blog texts, 2 profane and poorly status updates, and a friend request from someone that I hate.
Hi, I'm Brittany. Hi, I'm Brittany.
Jimbei Jake. Oh.
Later tonight on Ripper the Clown Show, an old flame takes Hannibal on a hard ride into espionage. B.A. has his hand in a murder when he's duped by a hitman bent on revenge, and Face and Murdoch meet Jake the Snake Roberts at the wrestling matches on the A-Team. And then it's a race against time as Edison gets the help of a psychic to rescue Max Headroom on Max Headroom. But first, stay tuned as Harry Fox can't watch the A-Team or Max Headroom because Ripper the Clown has been framed for murder by D.B. Cooper on Crazy Like a Fox, following Newsbreak. Next.